What up, guys? We are going to play Necromancer on the Commodore 64. I never had the manual for this game, so I kind of felt my way through it. I don't think I ever beat it. And then if you die, it's a really abrupt ending, so I was like, wait, did I beat the game, or did I die? The basic premise is the enemy is a Necromancer taking over the world. And you are a good aligned magic user. I always thought you were a druid, and I think you're called a druid in the manual. And you start off, there's each level you got like a different objective. I think I'll just jump right into it so you can just try to figure it out as we go, or I'll explain as we go, I guess. So press the button to start. Alright, so you got all these weird little ogre guys running around. And each time I'm killing one of them, my strength is going down. My goal is to start planting trees. And then I'm going to protect the tree. I'm going to kill that eye thing too. Oof. The ogres will come through and try to kill my trees. And so my goal is to take my little wisp, is what they call this thing, and use it to protect the trees from getting damaged. Once they are a full-grown tree, they are immune to the ogres, but can be killed by the spider that will eventually show up. And I'm basically trying to get as many trees as I can, and I think about 20 is kind of like the... Oops. Oh yeah. Oof. And then you want to kill that spider before he touches you, because he is poison. As soon as I run out of strength, this part of the game is over, so I don't really want that. And I think I'm trying to get, let's see. The wisp is a little jumpy because it tracks onto the nearest, oh, I didn't realize the ogre got through there, oh. It kind of tracks to the nearest ogre. Nice, okay. Oh, dang it, the ogre got through. I don't know why, but this is like hurting my thumb right now to control this. Okay, and then you see the face on that tree. Okay. Here I go like, oh, this game's easy. Don't let the spider touch you. I think it uses a lot of strength from that. The ogres don't seem to hurt me, they seem to only hurt the baby trees. Oh, yeah, so yeah. Gotta make sure you're killing that spider. Okay, yeah, and then when you kill the spider, you gain, oh dang it, you gain life back. And then you see the spider infects the trees with its weird poison, so you gotta wipe the poison out with your wisp. Yeah, this game's kind of busy. And like I said, my thumb kind of hurts, so I'm trying to control this thing. Oh man. Okay. My sort of, oh man, my thumb hurts. My strategy is basically try to form like a wall of trees so they can protect each other as they're growing. Ugh. But yeah, there's just so much going on. Those eye things, by the way, drop more seeds, so if you're out of seeds, you gotta wait for one of them to show up. Alright. Yeah, and there's just so much going on. Like, I gotta protect the trees I already got, but then my baby trees get killed. And I gotta kill a spider before he touches me, or gets too many of my trees. Another strategy would just be to plant trees like crazy and hope they grow up before the ogres get them. So I might try that. By the way, things start speeding up the more trees you get. So the beginning's supposed to start off fairly easy, and then it's supposed to get harder and harder and harder. Okay, can we get these two trees up and running? Come on. Come on, that one's up. Oop. And then he's poisoning my trees again. And then, like, again, things are going faster and faster. So, at some point, The poison kills the trees even faster than before. Okay, can't see. The wisp actually kind of homes in on nearby ogres, but if you're not moving it, it goes back to home base, which is your finger. And yeah, that's kind of a challenge. Okay, I have over 10 trees. I think our goal is 20. I used to think the ogres could kill the grown-up trees, but no, only the spider's poison can. Alright. And then more seeds. Gosh, this is so, like, frenetic. That's the word I'm thinking of. Just trying to get as many of these. Oh, these little bastard ogres! Come on! Get away from my trees! Get away from my trees! Now they killed that one again. Wipe that face. Okay. Oh, come on! It's wisp. Alright. I'm about to die, but I got quite a few trees, so I'm not feeling too bad. Oh boy, look at how many poisons. Yeah, see that? Okay, how many I get? The spiders just bouncing off the walls there. Okay, so 20's the max. I got 16. We're in good shape. Alright, so this... Oop, what? Why are you down there? Okay, something's going wacky with this. Okay, so these are spider eggs. I am wanting to... Oop. Those hands will come and... We gotta do this. The hands will kill my trees, and that's a no-no. Ugh. If the spider eggs hatch, they'll come... What? Why did it go down there? That's what I don't get. Anyway. There. Okay. So you plant the trees. I don't know why the tree is coming out alive down there. It's kind of getting on my nerves. So you plant the tree over the eggs. Okay. Trying to protect my trees. Because if the hand gets them, instant death for them. So yeah. See, I don't like that at all, because I don't even know how to get this tree across to where he needs to be. This one I can get to the right place, but he's going to get there too late, I'm sure. So, there, I got that spider though. Yeah, I do not know how to get this tree over there before, in a way that he doesn't just get killed. Oh, that was lucky. Okay, so... And then doing this gets me my trees back. Although, what... There. Whoa, almost got me. Alright, and then... Oops. Okay. If you get a question mark, it makes the ladder appear. Okay, I need to go get one of those question marks. If you get another question mark after that, it's kind of random what you get. Oh, like that just gave me points. Okay. Come on. Drop a question mark for me. So one thing I didn't realize when I was a kid is if you don't kill all these spider eggs, you fight them in the final battle. So that's kind of our number one thing, is kill these spider eggs. And then this one, there's no way I'm going to be able to get it in time. I'm just going to have the wisp hang out. Oh, gosh. These trees are slow. I don't know why they keep appearing down there and not up where I am. Oh, lost a tree. Very confused why the trees keep spawning up top, or down below, I mean, and not up top. I have so many questions. Ugh. Okay. I feel like hear me tapping the gamepad trying to make sure I get that stupid freaking spider. Got it. Okay. Alright, and this last one, I think I'll just get it with the wisp. Gotta wait for the hand to drop. Question mark a little bit closer to me. God. Golly. I am not very fast. Okay. I have 800 strength. I'm curious. Oh, killing the spiders gives me strength. Okay, okay. Ugh. Trying to grab that stupid question mark. Okay. I feel like the controls could be a bit improved in this lovely game, but I'm okay with that. Still pretty fun, pretty ambitious game in my opinion. Oh, what? I feel like that spider just like teleported or something. Well, that was close. Okay, I'm gonna try to pay attention. Do the trees smushing the eggs give me strength back? No. Killing the spiders? That's fascinating. So honestly, I don't like this at all. Oh! So honestly, I should just be sitting here killing the eggs myself and leaving my trees alone, shouldn't I? The number of trees you have in the final battle helps, I think, and then you want to get rid of as many of the eggs as you can. Well, should be able to get rid of all of them. It would be cool if I could actually summon a tree at the top level. Oh, that was way too dang close. Alright. I don't want to go that far. Look how slow I am. I mean, are you crazy? Oh, I almost forgot there was one more. Yeah, that's what you get. Okay, well, it's a weird strategy. I guess I would say that this level is a bit flawed. Because the actual best solution is very counterintuitive and kind of against what the story is kind of suggesting, which is using my trees to fight. Now, let's see here. I think I might do that just to speed up the process a bit. Yeah, ooh, that's what you get. Oops. Okay. And then, this one I think it's easier to avoid these hands. Alright. And then, doing pretty good here. Oh my gosh. Trees are too slow. Let's take my trees back. If you don't take your trees back at the end of the, like, that level, you don't get them back. Two more eggs. That was too dang close. I have a feeling that my gamepad's going to be very loud on the recording. Like, alright. Ooh, we got it to work. Alright. I think there's only 5 levels, and speed on this one's going to be pretty crazy. Yeah, I like that. Oh. Whoa, come on. But 2000 strength is my max strength, so I'm actually doing pretty darn good. Wow, these spiders hatch so fast. The trees would be pointless in this one anyway. Okay, so the last level is coming up here, and that's the one that I understand the least amount. So we'll see how it goes. But I'm hoping that this 2000 strength follows me into the final level. I have 8 trees, which is better than nothing. But yeah, something about the Necromancer keeps reviving himself. So you kill his form, and then you have to walk through gravestones, and it will permanently destroy the gravestones or something. We'll see. Ugh. Lost 100 strength on that guy. Oh, but those little ring things give me strength too. Huh. See, I always got really stressed out on this level, and I would just speed run through, which would have defeated me so much faster, because I guess there's more spiders in the final battle if you don't kill all the eggs. So, alright. So they count up my trees. Maybe the trees don't do anything in the final battle, but yeah, okay, so I walk through the graves. I kill these little... Oh my gosh, look at all these spiders. Okay. So far I'm doing okay, but... Oh! And then you want to kill the mother spider. Up. And don't let her... Ooh. Wow, okay. These little baby spiders are wanting to fight me here. Oh my gosh. This is chaos. Okay, I get it though. I'm walking through the graves. Oh my gosh, these little baby spiders. Kicking my butt. Oh, is he like making more of the baby spiders? Oh, okay. And then there's something about Mama Spider turns the babies immortal. Oh my gosh, there's 5 levels of this. Okay. Well, I don't think I'm going to beat all 5 levels, to be honest. I'm not doing so hot right now. Looks like those green ones are the immortal ones. Oh, and that Mama Spider got me again. Oh god, yeah, I'm about to die. Okay, but I get it now. I finally understand how that level works. It just, oh my gosh, that was crazy hard. Okay, anyway, that's Necromancer. At some point I'm going to have to give that game another go and see if I actually beat that last level, but oof, I finally get it. That feels good. But yeah, that'll be it for now, and I'll see you guys next time. I'm still in the middle of my Dragon Warrior 2 series, so that's what I'll be going back to next time.